Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to add your region to your Instagram profile using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to let your followers know where you're from, right from your desktop. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process so you can update your profile in just a few minutes. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the window. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts, followers, and profile details. Next, find and click the Edit Profile button. This is where you can change all your personal information, including your name, username, and bio. Now, look for the section labeled Bio. This is the perfect spot to add your region, so your followers can see where you're based. Click inside the bio box and type in your region. You can keep it simple by just adding your city or country, or get creative and include a flag emoji or a short description. For example, you might write Berlin, Germany, or New York, USA. This small detail can help you connect with people from your area and make your profile more personal. Once you're happy with how your bio looks, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button labeled Submit. Click on it to save your changes. Your region will now appear in your bio, and everyone who visits your profile will be able to see it. That's all there is to it. Adding your region on Instagram using the PC app is quick, easy, and a great way to share a little more about yourself with your followers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.